we're going to quickly talk about what SolSniper is and how it can benefit you. We're going to be diving into the new features, taking a look at the documentation, getting our wallet all set up and doing some live snipes. Take a look at this. To the average person or the average day trader, this could look very overwhelming. There's a lot going on, but I mean, this is how you traditionally trade. You check out something that has been trending for a while, and the idea would be to buy somewhere down here and to sell all the way up here and potentially make a profit, right? What I mean, you get the idea, right? But here's the thing, what about the timer? How long does this actually take to play out? And what are you going to be doing while all of this is happening? This could take hours. Okay, so let's now dive into the good stuff. If you've used SolSniper before, might notice that there's a couple of things missing here. P-priority C and slippage is no longer here. It's built in, it's under the hood, and we no longer have to worry about it. So in this field right here is where you're gonna set your buy amount. Mine is currently set to 0.02. And of course, we need to take profit. So right here where it says sell, take profit, I have mine set to 10%. And of course, in your stop loss, mine is currently set to also 10%. I like to keep my timeout at 1,000 seconds. So basically, it's the trade is just going on and it's going on forever, and it seems like it's never gonna stop. The bot will automatically take you out of a trade based on the amount of time that has elapsed. So let's swing up here to where it says safety because we moved that. So I had my top 10 holders max set to 100. And I also have my bundle max set to 100. Quick tip, the higher these numbers are, the more trades the bot will pick up for. And the lower these numbers are, the less trades you can pick up. I have my max fame block price set to 100 and my safety check period set to about 10 seconds. So now, as far as the dexes go, I have all the dexes selected. So here are the ones I have to choose from. And I just click up here and I click this checkbox because I want to be in as many trades as possible. Right here, you could click the mint authority and the freeze authority. And you can even check this one right here, which is the immutable and metadata. If you want more trades, then you take all of these off. And of course, if you want less trades, you will add more security. So this is my setup right here. Let's go back, check out my buys and sell settings, and these are my safety settings. This is how I get in and out of trade very quickly. Remember, you guys can customize this to however you want. Before I run the bot, I just want to remind you guys, this is for educational purposes only. Let's go ahead and run the bot. All right, so right now we could see that the bot started successfully and it's starting to listen for new tokens, and it looks like it's doing some stuff. I think it's going through these safety checks right now, which doesn't take too long. It's usually a few seconds for me, but it could also be a few minutes. So let's kind of hang tight and see what it does. So it looked like we cast so far on some safety checks. So it's still doing its thing, and we may get in a trade or we might not. If we don't get in the trade, it might just be that we could not get past the safety settings. But look, we're again. So right here you can see our buy order was successful. We're up around 2% right now, and yeah, things are moving. So I'm just going to pull back and let the bot do its thing. By the way, there's a sell button right here, just in case you guys if things are going crazy and you can't wait to take your profit, you could always just take the sell button and get out of that trade immediately. So another tip for you guys like there. So let's just digress and check it out for a bit. So it's going up, it's going back, it's pulling backward. We're only up 4% like there, but we're breaking the little bit of 6. We're back down to 3. It might just be a pullback, who knows, right? So even if we lose this one, we're gonna get right back in because this is SolSniper, right? So the idea is to get in and get out quick. We don't want to be in these trades forever. And if we take a loss, we definitely just don't want to just leave it alone and never trade again, right? We want to keep doing this, right? So it looked like it's about to take me out the trade, and it did. I'm just going to go ahead and stop the bot like there. So you guys could see that the bot was stopped and we had a sell transaction confirmed. So positive 10% right there, locking it up. And you can also come in here and view the swap on DexScreener. Let's just go ahead and check it out. So it's pulling it up right now. All right, so this is what it looked like. You can see my buy and my sell is right there. And if you haven't checked out Solar Sniping yet, what are you waiting